Good morning, students. Today we will learn chapter first, knowing our number. Numbers used in counting, to count objects or things. It helps us to say that which number is bigger and which number is smaller. It is used in many contexts and many different ways. Let's start our first topic, comparing numbers. For comparison, we will take a series. In this series, firstly, we will find the digits of the numbers. Digits of each numbers. So first one is 92. How many digits in 92? Look at here, 1 and 2. There are 2 digits. In 392, there are 3 digits. In 4456, look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. In 89,423, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 5 digits. When we want to find out or we compare these numbers, we will look at here. In 92 there are 2 digits, smaller than all the digits, so this is the smallest number. And when we look at this 89,423, more number of digits comparison to others, so this is greatest number. Taking in another example, look at this. In this series, again we find out digits of each number. 1473 have 4 digits. Here 3 digits. Here 5. Here 4. And here 3 digits. And when we want to find out smallest and greatest number, so we look at the digits of the numbers. In 89,472, number of digits are 5, which is greater than other digits. So this is greatest number. And 100 and 310, there have 3 digits. So we compare both the numbers. For comparing these numbers, we will firstly look at their first numbers, first digits. Here 1 is less than 3. So we can say that 100 is smaller than 310. So in this series 100 is smallest number. 100 is smallest number. I hope you understand. If we have same digits, suppose 4753 and 4789. In this situation, we will compare its first digit. Look at here, both are same, so we write here same. Understand? In second digits, 7 and 7 both are same, so we write here number are same. In third digit, 5 and 8, so 5 is less than 8. So finally we can say that 4753 is less than 4789. For our next topic, we will take some digits, and taking digits, suppose we have digits 2, 8, 7 and 5. In these 4 digits, without repetition, I write here without repetition, arrange these digits and make greatest and smallest number. First one, greatest number. For finding greatest number from these 4 digits, firstly we will look at bigger digit. So we have bigger digit is 8, we write here 8. Then excluding 8, we look at bigger digit is 7, so we write here 7. Then excluding 8 and 7, which is bigger, 5. At last 2. So the number is 8752. Next, smallest number. For finding smallest number, same process. We will look at these digits and find the small number. Which is smaller than others? 2. Excluding 2, 5. Then 7, at last 8. So the smallest number is 2578. If we take another example, in this situation when we have 0, what should we do? We find out its greatest number. Similarly as this, bigger number is 7, then 5, then 4 and then 0. Finding smallest number, one thing is necessary to learn, which is smallest number in these digits is 0, but we can't write 0 in first place, because when we put 0 in first place, it have no value. That's why we write 0 in second place. Excluding 0, which is smaller? 4. So we write 4 in first place. Then 5 and at last 7. So we got smallest number is 4057. Now we will learn arranging some numbers. arrange the numbers. For arranging numbers, we can arrange numbers in two orders, as ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arrange numbers from smallest to greatest. In descending order means arrange numbers in greatest to smallest. We will learn this by an example. Okay, we have a series and we want to arrange this series in ascending order. We will follow same process. Here in ascending order we will arrange smallest to greatest. So we will firstly look at the digits of the number. 305, 3 digits. 92 have 2 digits, here 4 digits, here also 4 digits, 5 digits, at last 3 digits. So smallest number is, simply we can say that smallest number is 92, and then we have 3 numbers. So we will compare their first digits. By comparison we know 315 is smaller than 457. Then we look at the digits here. So we will compare their first digits also. 3 is smaller than 5, so we write first 3731 and then 5371, and at last in this number we have 5 digits. So this is greatest number, we write this number at last. Descending order. Descending order. And descending order we will taking this same series. In this series, in descending order we will goes to greatest to smallest. Which is greatest number? 89,423. There have number of digits 5. Then these two numbers which have same digits. So which is bigger? We simply can say that 5371 is bigger because its first digit is bigger than another. So we write, then we write, okay, then we compare these two numbers which have 3 digits. Which is bigger? We can simply say that 457 is bigger than 315, and at last without comparison we write 92. So students, I hope you understand ascending and descending order well. Try to solve and try to practice some ascending and descending order and finding greatest and smallest number, and try to solve some related question which is our topic today, and we will take next topic in our next video. Till then, bye bye.